Hello friend, my name is Shreyas and today I am going to share with you how you can become a genius or expert in the particular field you have chosen. Well, the first thing to become a genius in any field you are chosen or you have to choose or you are going to choose in the future, that first is continuous practice with the discipline. Yes, you have to start making practice and you have to follow the discipline, that until you become good at it you will never give up. Yes, as soon as you become good at it, try some more practice, do some more practice, with more practice and more practice, and you will start getting that you are becoming expert in that particular field. Yes, it is said that 1 hour of practice every day will make you good in just 1 hour. It will make you 1 year of practice in 3 years. 1 hour practice in 3 years will make you expert in 3 years, and 1 hour of practice 5 years will make you a genius in that field. And if you make that practice 1 hour for 7 long years continuously, it will make you number one in the world in the particular field. Yes, in the world it will make you number one, but you have to make sure that you will do that practice every day for 7 hours at least. So follow this principle and you will become expert and genius in your particular field. But during making a practice you have to learn some good books also. Yes, in good books in your particular field, it will sharp your knowledge, information and skills and the talent, because it is said that hard work beats the talent when talent does not work hard. I'll repeat again. Hard work beats the talent when talent does not work hard. Yes, even though if you are talented, you have to make practice, you have to work for every day at least 1 hour in that particular field. And as soon as you become expert, you will try to work hard more and more to become genius in that field. So make a discipline every day, and surely what I said, that you have to read books in that field also to get that knowledge, skill, information and the talent required you will get from the books, because books will sharpen your mind. Because you had to earn more, you have to learn more. To gain more, you have to learn more. So that learning you will get from the books. The books will guide you in your direction, in your purpose, or according to in the way of your goal. So you will not be misguided, because the books are the best friend with the successful people. Many of the wealthiest people read a book in a week, one book a week. Many of the wealthiest people such as Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey and Warren Buffett, they are the wealthiest people, and many more. They are the wealthiest people who read one book per week. So you also make a habit of reading a book, work hard every day, make a practice and start it of doing at least 1 hour making a practice, and read this book before you sleep, 15 minutes before sleep, or in the meanwhile whenever you get a free time. And after morning when you wake up, you will do, or your after morning routine, you will have you must have a definitely habit of reading the books. So during reading a book once, whenever you read a book, you will not get that after reading a book you will get the result. But when you keep making habits, you form that read a book at least 3 times, uh, 3 times completely. Yes, that after you will get the meaning of the content which is written below. So I hope, wish you all the best for your life. Just read books, have a practice every day, and this is the way. 1 hour, 3 years, into 3 years it will become an expert and genius, and 5 years it will make you super genius, and in 7 years you will become number one. So follow this principle. I'm also applying this principle, and definitely my skills are getting better and better, and I am living more powerful life. So to your success, signing off. And if you like my channel, just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and write down in the comment section which on which topic should I make the video next. Okay, so have a great life. Thank you.